Hi guys, we are making the very famous TikTok famous Dalgona coffee today. For making the Dalgona coffee, all you need is regular coffee, some powdered sugar, 2-3 tablespoons of hot water, milk. So let's get started. First thing is you put in all the coffee. Next step is you add the powdered sugar in the mix. And next is the warm water. I've already heated the water a little. You add that. Yeah, that's it. Next is you've got to whisk it, and trust me when I say whisk, because I don't have a machine, this takes a lot of time. So you've got to start mixing it. If you have a machine, it's well and good. If you don't have, you can use your hand. Can you see the colors changing? And it smells truly good. So guys, the mixture is almost ready. You can see it's becoming thick, so that means it's ready. Just need to do it for another 10-20 times more. So guys, the mixture is ready. Now as you can see, it's nice and thick. Next step that we do is keep this at a side. I've already filled some ice in the glass. Next you need to add is cold milk. Just got to top it with your mixture. Take a spoon. The mixture looks so good. Take this and pour it over it. So guys, the coffee is ready. You can just sprinkle it with some more coffee on the top so that it looks beautiful while serving. And yeah, it's ready.